Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we are going over XAUUSD and going over both the news and the chart data. First off, the news has been mixed recently. Some sources report a positive outlook for gold due to a stronger euro and a weaker US dollar. However, other sources are more cautious, suggesting that investors might be looking elsewhere for better returns. Overall, the news sentiment seems relatively neutral, so let's look at the charts to get a better feel of the situation. Taking a look at the daily chart, we can see a relatively stable price movement over the past few months. There's been a noticeable trend of consolidation between the 1900 to 2000 range. The price has recently broken above a significant resistance level around 2000, which is bullish. However, it's worth observing how the price reacts to this breakout, as it could trigger a pullback. This pullback could potentially find support around the 1950 to 1975 range. Let's examine the 1-hour chart for a more detailed view of the recent price action. Looking at the 1-hour chart, we can now see that the breakout above 2000 was quite decisive, suggesting strong buying pressure. The price has shown a series of higher highs and higher lows, strengthening this bullish trend. However, there are some signs of potential exhaustion as the momentum has slowed in recent hours. The price has hit several resistance levels around 2050 to 2075. A break above those levels would be very bullish, but let's take a look at the 15-minute chart to zoom in on some recent price action. Looking at the 15-minute chart, let's zoom in on the last 2 days of candles. In the last 2 days of the 15-minute chart, we can see many instances of consolidation with very minor movements up and down. This consolidation suggests that the market is uncertain about the direction, and there may be a short-term pullback. Based on this analysis, here's the summary. Key support levels to watch are 1950, 1975, and 2000 on the daily chart, while 2025 and 2050 are key resistance levels. A break above 2050 on the daily chart could trigger a longer-term bullish trend, while a break below 1950 could trigger a longer-term bearish trend. The likelihood of a short-term pullback is relatively high, given the recent price exhaustion. However, the long-term trend looks quite bullish and could potentially push the price further up if the overall market sentiment remains positive. Keep an eye on the price action around the 2050 resistance level, as a break above it could suggest a continuation of the bullish trend.